glad you could join me today. Today we'll be continuing with the Frozen characters, drawing characters. So today we'll be drawing Elsa from Frozen 2. Right, so let's start. So if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Sai Siddharth, and in this channel I'll be doing drawing tutorials, origami tutorials and much more. So yeah, without any further ado, let's start. So I have my paper in portrait mode, and the tools that you require for this drawing are pencil, an eraser and different types of black ink pens for inking later. So let's start. Alright, so the center line, let's start off with the center line like other tutorials. Zoom in, sorry about that. Right. Alright. So one line like that, curved and curved, so kind of like going out and coming down. So now let's imagine that there's a point right here. That's a good length, and just another line connecting like that. Sorry about that, not making it up here. Right, so let's start. Let's just keep going. Right, so there you go. So as you can see, this went in a bit more inside, so that's what we wanted. That's what we got. Right, so just a second. Yeah. Okay, so let's go on with the details. So just the neck. Right, so let's start off with the details. Just zoom in. Oops, sorry about that. Alright, so now let's draw the nose. So the nose is right where this part it turns. Right where that turns. Yeah, it's right there. Pretty more below. Really simple nose. Simple but still looks like a nose. Do that. And imagine that this goes up. This goes up too. So now let's draw the lips. So right here goes up, comes down, goes up and comes down. So let's give her a gentle smile. Okay. Don't make the lips too wide, by the way. So, yeah. Just correcting a few things. Sorry about that, but just let's try to make it even more better. Right. Right. So yeah, let's just do some more modifications. That's what drawing is all about, right? Making modifications so that we achieve our targets. Right, now let's draw the eyes. They are pretty far apart. That is one of the features in the face of Elsa. So right now I'm drawing it with the eye bag. So let me just divide it. Like that. So yeah, so that's good. Now let's just give us some eyelashes. like that. Just a second, just making some things proper. Alright, now let's draw the eyeball. Okay, the pupil. So I'm just giving some highlighted spots and then just shading it in. So do the same thing. And by the way, don't just give it smooth curves, no sharp curves, so else it'll look like an angry scowl. Right, just some lines like that to make it look more realistic. So just keep modifying it till I get what I need, and that's good. So let's go on to this side. So somewhat like that. Okay, so it comes till here, goes till there. Okay, and then just the eye bag under it. And now let's give some eyelashes. So tallest ones are right there, and it just goes as it decreases. So remember to give thick lines here and there. So yeah, try your best to make it look like Elsa. Okay. So 2 lines right there and there. And 1 more line right there. So and then just 2 lines like that. So that's that, and then just smaller lines all over like that. Okay, so now I'm going to be making some changes. Yep, so that's what I did. So now let's again make some more changes. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to bring this part even closer, and this part it just goes like that and comes down. Right now this part looks really empty, so let's give her some eyebrows. Just kidding, we need to give some eyebrows, or else it won't look like Elsa. So just again giving somewhat like hair right here, and do the same thing right here. Gets thinner as we keep going. So yeah, and now so we have everything, so let's just give us some spots. Okay, so quick change. So we're going to be bringing the nose even down. Nothing major, just bringing it a bit more down. Okay, and then just bigger lashes right there, and then let's just give me a second, just be So that's good. Now the lips like that, and that's best. It looks more like Elsa right now. Elsa, sorry like that. Elsa. Okay, so right here, one line like that, and just goes in like that. So we're just currently drawing the hair. Just follow with me. I'm not going to be giving any instructions. Just random hair placing to the most. So the ears, they do come pretty much really below. So that's my ear for you. So this is my rough drawing. And by the way, this is my fourth, as you must have guessed before when I told this my last Disney Frozen drawing tutorials and all the Sven fans, blah blah blah. So yeah, so the ones that I did before were Anna, Olaf and Kristoff. Okay, so do check them out. So click right here to see Olaf at the moment. Sorry about that. And like that. And right here, some more. One more. Here there are a lot of bundles of hair. Okay, so just some quick corrections. Let's just bring this even higher. Yep, so oops. And what's that? Alright, so like that. And one more line like that inside. So that's for the hair. Oh, that's for the ears. Sorry about that. One line like that. And now let's just draw something like that. As I told, we'll be ending it here, but we still have the I don't know what it is. Okay, so right there and there. One more like that. Two more on this side. So yeah, so anyways, we'll be stopping it right there. So when you're stopping it right there, remember to do that. So yeah, let's move on to the details for the hair. So just doing one more bundle. So quickly, let's do it. Just give some, sorry about that. So all you need to do is just give some individual hair. So just some here and there, just to bring in that effect. And when you're doing that, make sure that you're going in the direction of the bundle. Also to like how to say, don't look that real to the eye. Okay, so you can see. So when I'm inking it, I'll be using a thinner pen for this. So mostly I won't be inking it, I will be coloring it. So this is something that I've been doing before. Yeah, it does look weird, so I'll be recreating that. So yeah. So that was also Elsa, but it doesn't look like Elsa, I know. That's not first. Okay, so I reckon that just give it, don't make it more really skinny. Let's do that. And that and that. Right, so as I told, some individual strands of hair, and we should be good to go. Just here and there. So yeah, here some more right here. Can you see how it really brings in the effect? Okay, so now right here I'm just going to be shading that part in. No, you know what? I won't be shading it, sorry. Okay, so just a second. Yep. So we are almost finished. So what I'm gonna go is, I'm gonna be making the neck even thinner. The necks are thin. And we are good to go with that amount of detail. So as you can see, the starting place of the eyebrows are curved. So that's what you need to draw Elsa. Alright, so just trying my best here. Zooming out. That's Elsa for y'all. Oops, sorry, missed some details. So, as I told, I'll be using a thinner pen for if I'm inking it. If not, I'll be coloring it. If I am inking it, I'll be using a thinner pen for the strands of hair. After that, for the bundles, I'll use a thicker pen to show some highlighted parts to make sure to show that it's in bundles. Oops, sorry about that. Okay. So there you go. Just highlight the bundles. And now let's just draw some, like, how to say, there are some eyes, flowers here and there on the hair. So zoom in and show you. So that's what I did right here and here. So again, some strands of hair. So some strands are loose, so do that. Yep. So just highlighting the ears. Just a second. Right, and zooming out. Our Elsa is done. I mean, drawing is done, not Elsa. Okay, so as this is my last drawing in Frozen, I like to say a few things. The movie Frozen 2 was really great with a lot of twists and turns, full of mysteries. It was a bit thrilling actually, not that much, and it was funny, especially Olaf. He was really funny. Okay, so that's all. So if you do want me to do some more drawing tutorials on Disney characters, that's my latest project. So I'll be doing all the characters from Disney, drawing not all of them, most of the famous ones like Mickey Mouse and Cars and Toy Story, Zootopia and much more. Also from DreamWorks. So just type in the comments what your favorite character is and I'll be drawing that. Yeah, so signing off for now. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. So yeah. And by the way, if you wanted to see my latest video, click right here. If you wanted to see my Frozen playlist, that is the other drawings that I did on Frozen, the Olaf, Anna, Kristoff, click right here to see them. And then finally, to subscribe to my channel, just click right here to do it. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.